So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What is up, JJLEE squad? It is your boy Jordan, and I just wanted to make a quick video for y'all. Well, first, shout out to my boy Blake. He gave me this idea, because, you know, if y'all don't follow me on Snapchat, y'all need to go ahead and add me. It'll be in this video. It'll pop up on the screen. Go ahead and add me. Because on Snapchat, people annoy me, and I make public service announcements. So, I'm going to add this small, short, little, quick series to the channel. PSA. It's kind of like, you know, with Peter Griffin, you know, it grinds my gears. This is a public service announcement. This is just like little pet peeves that happen daily to me and that I just want to announce. So, it's the first video for public service announcements, okay? And in the video, it's gonna be about, I say in the one video is gonna be 4 public service announcements, but this is just one video. All right, PSA 1. And then y'all let me know if y'all can relate. This is for dudes and girls. Well, I think, let me see this one. And I made these, bro. So, it's just me sharing on my story, letting people know, making them laugh. But this is it right here. Let me see. Okay. Public service announcement 1. Any lady asking for money from me, just know it takes the same amount of energy to find a job. Why did I do that first? Public service announcement. Because I get hit up all the time on my Snapchat or Instagram by these females and dudes. Y'all let me know, or ladies, you let me know if it's dudes asking you for money. But it's mostly girls just hitting me up talking about, hey, you got 20 till payday, or can you help me and my kid out? I was like, bruh, if I had kids, which I don't, you know, I can provide for myself and my grandma, my mom, and my family. If I knew I was going to provide for a whole stranger, I would have had kids already, bro. If that makes sense. Like, come on now. And they like, oh, can I have 20? Oh, can I borrow this? I'll pay you right back. And of course, they would never pay you back. I think a dude, I thought it was my friend. I helped him. He's like 15 short on rent. I helped him. And then that nigga never, excuse me, I can't say that word. Oh, shoot. That ninja never paid me back. So honestly, it's just like, it's been hitting me. And I'm like, bro, I need to just release some anger without cussing too much. Here you go, the serious public service announcement. And that's number 1. Any lady asking for money from me, just know it takes the same amount of energy to get a job. When you act like, I don't ask no one for nothing, bro. If I'm broke, I'm gonna be broke, and I'm gonna find a way to get some money. End of story. I'm not gonna ask even my mama for money, bro. I don't care. If I'm broke, I got myself broke because I didn't learn how to save right. End of story. So, like, it just like it takes the same amount of energy to put in an application, maybe even lesser amount of energy to put in an application. This for all you ladies out there. I'm keeping it real, bro. Let me take off my headphones. Let me look a little professional. I'm at work right now. I'm on break. But this for y'all, like, get a job, bro. Look for a job. Stop asking people for money. That is just Public service announcement number 2. Y'all see me? It is very unattractive and a turn off when you think you see a pretty girl, even if she do got a kid, and they ask you for money. That is, like, for me, that is an immediate turn off. I don't want to talk to you no more. Leave me alone. Go on somewhere before I talk bad to you. I can't, bro. I can't. That is, like, it just makes me, like, so the moment a girl asks me, be like, oh, can I borrow some money? Bro, she turned to a freaking dragon / Shrek wife. Like, she turned to a whole demon to me, bro. And this demon on my car look better than her. And I'm just saying, bro, that just makes me mad, bro. It's just like, when they ask for money, that just, your whole appearance changes. in my eyes, bro. So get away from me. I'm done. Don't ask me. Okay. Public service announcement number 3. Forget, I said the F word, but I'm not, no cussing, you know what I'm saying? Forget your Cash App, your only, I want to add some fingers to this. Forget your Cash App, forget your OnlyFans, and your Snapchat Premium. And that's on, that's on 100, friend. That's on 100. I don't care about none of your subscriptions, fam. If I add you and I see that, oh, you running this business, I'm not adding you and I'm blocking you. I'm keeping it real. I don't care. And it's just like, I ain't got time for it, fam. I've been single for a minute. I'm not thirsty at all, bro. I've been single. I'm gonna be real. I've been single for at least, I'd probably say, 5 years. And I'm a virgin. And I get into that and some other story. But I'm not thirsty for some naked pictures or this and that. Come on now. I'm fine, bro. I don't have nothing to worry about. They park right next to me. But I ain't got nothing to worry about, fam. I'm not thirsty. I don't need to see no naked pictures every day. I'm good, fam. Like, there's more to life than, let me sell you this. Let me hook you up with this. No, fam. I'm good. Look me in my eye. Look me in my eye. I'm good. And number 4. And then this ties to number 3. Porn is free, idiot. let me hit the number 4. Porn is free, idiot. Yes. So y'all like I know dudes out here buying girls OnlyFans and Snapchat Premium, all that stuff, because they wouldn't keep on trying to sell it if you ain't got thirsty dudes trying to buy it. So I'm like, bro, I don't care, fam, because if it comes down to it, I will not spend money on somebody I don't know just to look at a couple pictures when I can go on a whole about I don't even know how much there is. Let's say maybe 1,000 plus free sites, and they look 100,000 times better than the girl that's selling the OnlyFans or the Snapchat Premium, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time. That's public service announcement 4. Porn is free. PORNISFREEIDIOT. Spell it out for you. Cause I ain't got time, bro. And I'm just keeping it real, bro. I share this on my Snapchat story every day. That is the end of the first public service announcement episode on JJLEE Productions. But like I said, man, I'm gonna make a whole bunch of different content. Shout out to my boy Blake again, bro. He wanted to see the video. He said you need to start a series. Here we go, fam. And I do got more reaction videos coming, but that's on another video. This public service announcement video is over. I hope y'all like this, and if y'all can relate, this for dudes and girls. I don't know if dudes selling OnlyFans or not. I don't know. Pause, but you know what I'm saying. Ain't nobody got time for that, fam. I'm out here trying to pimp my car out, buy some clothes, pay some bills, and chill. And that rhyme. Don't hit the play at the game. Bars. But yeah, I'm just trying to chill. I ain't got time to be wasting money on some fake girls I'm never gonna see, bro. Like, come on now. But alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Thank y'all for 7K subscribers. You will see some more videos with the Orange Demon. It's just raining and storming, bro. Y'all know. But thank y'all for watching, man. Again, shout out to my boy Blake, bro. He got a challenger too. Met on Instagram. He watched my videos. I appreciate you, fam. And don't worry, I probably may film episode 2 later on today, cause I'm like, I tell y'all, this is like Peter when he says, you know what grinds my gears. This pisses me off, so I'm gonna make a public service announcement for everyone to know. Okay, that's it. But again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite. Thanks for the love, and I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. Dang, 9 minutes. I talked a lot. But I'm finna go ahead and get back to work, man. I will catch y'all later. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. But if y'all can relate, leave a comment. Let me know. Because I'm ready, bro. I got more to come. Public service announcement, episode 1, over.